just juicy. I think you're pretty amazing. Always remember to strive to be the best version of you. And in the process, some people gonna like you and some won't. But that's not your business. What's going on, world? This is Garrick Brown Art Studios, and I'm back with another video just for you, baby. Listen. We are popping with the sales today. We're gonna do another bloom, and I'm switching things up with my cell activator. You know, I typically go for a white or black cell activator. This time I am making my own, and we are going to get some spectacular results. Before we get started, remember, do every single thing with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Let's get started. Here are all my colors mixed up. I inserted a Harvest Gold mica powder by TLP into this, and I'm hoping that it will show up as a surprise whenever I blow this out with my hair dryer. Just a little bit. We have another custom mixed color. This is Prism Violet and Quinacridone Magenta mixed together. This is Metallic Copper by Creative Inspirations and Red Orchard by Artist Loft with a little bit of titanium white paint to lighten it up. Lastly, this is Golden Peach and Watermelon mixed together by TLP. Alright friends, we are going to mix up our cell activator very quickly. Now, do not let this confuse you. 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters. The next one is 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters. So one of these and one of these equals a 3-to-1 ratio. We're going to do 2 of each. I am making a custom colored. I'm going to use mostly Prism Violet by Master's Touch. Mixed with a little bit of Amsterdam Oxide Black. And I mean little because I'm almost out. With just a touch of Phthalo Turquoise. I want it to be really dark. Violet color with a little hint of blue. And that black to really darken it up. There we go. And we have our cell activator. Today we're pouring on a 10 by 10 round stretch canvas. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is my pillow, which is Blending Essentials, with a splash, about 1 ounce of GAC 800 and 1 ounce of water. I'm gonna spin this out a bit. I'm going to start with a generous amount of our teal. I'm going to have a lot of layers of colors here because I'm going to do a lot of blowing on this paint, and I don't want that pillow to be too exposed. If some of it gets exposed on the outer edges, that's fine, but I want the center to be just popping with color. I'm gonna add just a little bit of gold in the mix. Not much, just a tinge. This is our Copper Red Orchard mixture. It's gorgeous. Just as a reminder, this is my cell activator. Much thinner than my paints. It looks black, but it's really a really deep purple. And we're gonna pour a good amount down. All right, ladies and gentlemen, a few minutes have passed, and we're gonna spin. All right. Too much cell activator. It's not gonna be repairable, but I'm sure gonna try. Love the colors, just not all the cell activator, and I think my cell activator may be a touch thick. But nonetheless, I'm going to bring you in for a close-up so you can see some of the good parts to this. There's some gorgeous peacock cells. This is one of my favorite parts right here. I would almost keep this, but I know that I can do better. All right, so just pouring this down. That is some of the paint that we just poured. I'm gonna add a little bit more Floetrol to the mix. That should thin it out just a bit. Alright, so less cell activator and a different hair dryer. Now I know that I can get higher angles because I need to push this paint out, which with my Yeehaw I can't really do that because the power is more concentrated in the center and blows down. So I'm gonna see if I can finagle some things here. I love what I have so far, and I'm glad I thinned the CA, but I think I still have too much in the center. Look at those gorgeous peacock cells. Oh my goodness. So I really love the movement, and I need to get rid of some of this, but I don't want to destroy everything. So I'm going to painstakingly go in with my straw and try to blow a little bit more of this out. Surprised I haven't lost those gorgeous cells. I think I'm gonna lose them, but that's okay. What do you guys think so far? I think I'm gonna call this one done. Very messy here. I don't like to be messy. But I love the colors. If nothing else, you know, I love those peacock cells. I just love all the pretty colors that it creates. And I love this wispy area. It's just, there are some things that I don't like. But you live and you learn and keep going. You know, gotta get you in for a close-up. And look at all those pretty cells. Look at the size. Just juicy. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.